you ever built anything in your shop or house or completed a project only to find out later it didn't work exactly like what you had planned out, or you wish you had done it different? Well, I'm in that scenario right now. When I built my shop, I put in 3 garage doors because I thought I wanted to have 3 bays. I was doing a lot more car work back then and thought I wanted the extra access. Turns out I don't, and I wish I had not done that. I'm really craving for more wall space, and where I want to build some shelves, the garage door's in the way. So I contacted the people who built my shop and had them come out and give me a quote to frame in the garage door, remove it, and stud it out. That way I could wall that up and get shelves built over there the way I want. So here's the garage door. So this is the middle door here. And over there behind the paint booth is the 3rd garage door. Which happens to be the first garage door inside the man door there. So I want to remove that garage door, which is closest to the man door, and get that all framed in. That garage door and that garage door are going to stay. And then I want to build a mezzanine and put my shelves up there. To do that, I have a lot of stuff to move and make room for the guys coming in to do that. Nothing short of a small feat to move the paint booth, but more importantly, I just have crap everywhere. Stuff is all over the place, things I've just had to bring in and drop from doing a shop or other projects. Demolition derby car paint daughter put there, and stuff from building a smoker, and like I said, stuff is just everywhere. I need another 8 hours in the day. If anybody has any, I'd greatly appreciate it. I could use some more time, but I need to be moving. So let's get humping and let's see what all we can get moved, and let's try to get that paint booth out of the way. I got a call from the pool barn guys just a few minutes ago, and they have a couple projects that they can't get to because of all the rain. So they are moving me up, and will be here tomorrow to frame in my garage door. I'm almost ready, thank goodness. I have a lot moved. I'm bust a butt over the weekend, getting everything done. Luckily, today is a holiday at work, so I'm off today, which allows me just one more day to get some stuff done. But I have to move the paint booth yet, and need to remove the springs on the garage door and the upper track part. And then they'll be here tomorrow. They're going to be dropping off the materials and some equipment today, and then they're going to be here first thing in the morning to start. And I'm excited. This is something I have thought about and dreamt and wished for quite a while, and I'm happy that I'm finally able to do it, and this will allow me to really move some things around in the shop. So let's get moving, and let's get this stuff moved away and get ready for them, because I'm running out of time.